Hi friends, and how are you doing today? As you know that I always try my best to help you in your IELTS preparation, and I try to help you in every possible way. I hope you know that along with YouTube I have my channel by the name Raman on Telegram. The link of my Telegram channel is available in the description of this video. And how it is going to help you. Many students still do not use Telegram. As with time, things are changing. Earlier people used to follow Facebook a lot, but now their interest is declining. Similarly, today more and more people are getting into the use of Telegram. Now it is an application which is amazing for remaining in touch with your friends and relatives, just like WhatsApp. So if you are not using Telegram, you must download and check it out, and you will definitely find it far better than WhatsApp. However, now we are used to WhatsApp, that's why it might get a little difficult to get out of the habit of using WhatsApp, but I'm pretty sure once you start using Telegram, you're going to find it far more easier. Now, how it is going to benefit you on Telegram, you can follow me. My channel is Raman IELTS. The link is available in the description of this video. Here I keep on sharing something very important to IELTS, the new updates, anything related to IELTS exam dates, and then sometimes students complain that they didn't get the notification of the YouTube video. There you won't find any trouble, because if you are connected with me on Telegram, there you can get the link of my newly uploaded videos on YouTube as well. Now I also try to conduct some kind of surveys where students can share their opinions and feelings. So overall it is a very interesting way to remain in touch with me and Telegram. And for that you have to download Telegram, or if you have already and you are a user of Telegram, click on the link available in the description of this video to connect me. And I would love to see you guys subscribing my channel or Telegram, and it would motivate me to share more and more with you. For example, we started sharing the latest IELTS speaking test there, and now we are coming up with more plans to share information related to IELTS writing, sentence formations, and we will also try to share some very interesting articles so that you can read those and improve your overall understanding as well. All in all, it is going to help you greatly, and for that, all that you need to do is join me on Telegram.